Look at this. There's 3,932 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. Got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. That's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos, up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. If you're tired of working for somebody else, you want to quit your day job, you want to go full-time crypto, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to help you make a ton of money in this market. I'm going to cover Bitcoin technical analysis, altcoin setups to help you make profits. Most importantly, the news that moves the markets, the important news. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin weekly chart at 11,632. Now remember, this level's key support level. You can see it's resistance here. Price ran up, got rejected. Now we're still holding above this weekly level. So we've got the weekly candle close coming in a couple hours. Daily, obviously, as well. And then the monthly coming tomorrow. So again, a lot of very important candle closes, a lot of excitement, possible fireworks, the end of the month, beginning of next month, Monday morning coming tomorrow, the next 24 hours, possibly we see some volatility. If you notice this price action right here, the price ran up over the course of the week up to 14,000, but then closed down below this resistance level. But you see these upper Bollinger Bands is kind of like the upper limits as far as this price action goes. Now you do have the MACD starting to curve lower, not super excited about that. You've got possible bearish divergence on the histogram, and then the RSI is really close to overbought. So I mean, RSI needs to cool off. If Bitcoin could consolidate for a period up here, that would be, you know, best as far as this RSI cooling off. Now if the price action breaks to the upside, it's going to pull the MACD in line and, you know, basically negate this bearish divergence idea. Also, the MACD, possible bearish MACD cross that might be coming, would be invalidated as well. So this is a Bitcoin 1 hour chart. We had this small double bottom. Bitcoin broke out of this small falling wedge, the white falling wedge. Now it's trying to break back above this yellow resistance level, which essentially was a lower trend line of the previous pattern. Hasn't happened yet. On the RSI, you've got this rising wedge, 68% chances this breaks lower. The price action is getting close and approaching overbought levels. So again, that's another idea. You might see a pullback here. So will we make it up to 11,800, or will Bitcoin just roll over is the question. Zoomed in 30-minute chart. So you can see you got double bottom. Bitcoin, you got breakout volume right here. Bitcoin continuing higher. So the only idea or concern would be, you know, is there some type of rising wedge in here? Some type of rising wedge where it would run up here and then break to the downside. You know, break higher, and you definitely see some bullish price action for Bitcoin, because when it breaks against, you know, this 68% chance it breaks lower. When it breaks against the probabilities, you see explosive moves to the upside. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This gentleman hit me up. He's 19 years old. He watches the channel. He said he lives in Malaysia, and he was working for his parents' company during the last year, and he decided to stop working for them because he was making a lot more money watching the YouTube videos, or my YouTube videos. You do not have a Binance account, make one now. Binance International. There's a link in the description. Sign up for PureVPN if you're in the United States. That's where all these small hot coins are at. Then he says, it's seriously insane. My goal is to trade small caps, earn as much Bitcoin as possible. Quit his job. He's 19. He's got his whiteboard set up. Man, I wish I had any of this knowledge when I was 19 years old. Sky's the limit for this guy. Next person stated, thank you so much for the motivation. I made 40% on his trade of sand BTC. I made so much money, I don't even know how to thank you. You're amazing. I love you, Chris. Learn some basics. It will change your life forever. This person sent me this picture, and I was like, what country are you in? And he's like, no, my phone shows the plus signs over in the middle of the first numbers. And so I guess 13%, 26%, 33%, 43%, 50% gains. Chromia, staking coming by the end of September. Always good on Telegram. You go and you find out from these community leaders or from the admins, says, hey, proper staking is going to be launched via exchanges and staking partners. So Chromia, keep an eye on that. A large 51% attack occurred again on the network for Ethereum Classic. Not good. Justin Sun came out and he's hyping. He's a hypester. Is he a hypester? Yeah, he's a hypster. Dude, this guy tweets about what he's about to tweet next. He understands how crypto works. He's a billionaire for a reason. So Justin Sun stated, I made a very important and bold decision, which I'm going to announce in the following days. It's going to hugely benefit all my coins. TRX, BTT, JST, WIN, and the whole Tron community. A new start, a new experiment, a new adventure. The best is yet to come. Dude, I want that. I want a new start. I want a new experiment. I want a new adventure. The best. I want the best. It's yet to come. And then immediately, Instapump. 72 Bitcoin got thrown at Tron. Instapump, this market is crazy right now. It's crazy. EasyFi and Matic working together. They're launching collateralized lending powered by Matic. Matic joined forces with Safe Haven to bring DeFi and digital inheritance services to the Indian masses. Also, they've got a partnership with Chainlink, Smart Contract Summit powered by Chainlink. And then Matic has partnered with Razor as well to provide decentralized Oracle services to decentralized application developers using Matic's Layer 2 scaling solution. I had it set up on Matic. It broke out, and then it started to retrace last I saw. So QLC chain. I read these messages, I read these tweets, and the first thing I see, DeFi simulations. This is very key. Like the coins that are moving have something to do with DeFi. This is hot. This is going to be the bull run theme for 2020. Anything DeFi is going to go crazy. Lisk has a halving coming up. Write this down, whiteboard it. Lisk's halving September the 28th. So typically you see they're going to cut the block rewards in half from 2 to 1 LSK. And so typically you see some type of run up towards this halving event. Neo has revealed Flamingo. It's a full stack DeFi. Anybody hear that? Anybody hear DeFi? Anybody, dude? This is like the catchphrase. So Flamingo is tentatively expected to begin rolling out September 2020, and Neo pumped on this news. You guys remember Ocean? I gave it to you originally at the end of 2 videos ago. Buy the breakout of this falling wedge. Boom. Guess what happened? 20% gains in 2 days. Gotta love it. I'll take 20% gains in 2 days. You know how long it would take me at the bank to make 20% interest on anything? Dude, crypto. Life-changing money. Here's Cody. I gave you this setup. Cody's been a midterm hold. We've made a ridiculous amount of money in Cody. Like, it's just been one of those, and potentially it can be hold to the end of the year type situation. And so I gave you this 2 videos ago. Cody broke out to the upside. Now you're looking for a retest to this support level and continuation of the move higher. This is not buy now. If you do not know how to trade these setups, do not trade this. If you don't know how to manage risks, set stop losses, do not trade this. Here's one of the charts from June, middle of June, and Cody alone from here is up 150%. I gave to you guys. Life-changing money, 150% in 2 months. That's NWC. I gave you guys this setup 2 videos ago. 11,395 people saw this setup. This project is announcing their Asian region expansion on Monday, and they're going to release DeFi related news on Thursday. What's going to happen to this coin? Anybody? Anybody? You already know. You already know. Look at this guy. Boom, move to the upside. It's up about 25%. Came back down and retest. That was your re-entry idea. Any of these retests bring new buyers into the market. NWC. With DeFi, it doesn't matter if it's going to be adopted by mainstream. I'm going to show you a couple pictures in just a second where mainstream is actually mocking DeFi. I'll show you that in just a second. Pretty crazy. But NWC, one to watch. This one's already up 300% since I first posted this in the trading group. Way down here, we started buying this guy. TRB, I gave this to you guys yesterday. Buy the breakout of this bull flag, bull pennant, falling wedge. Boom, move to the upside. Look at this, 63% gains. 63% gains. TRB, remember I talked to you guys about this in a video, on and on about this in a video. Teller, remember this. Chainlink version 3, remember that? It was in the titles of one of the videos. Synthetics, SNX, setup for you guys, coming in just a second. So they've got their new Synthetics visual brand coming. The derivatives liquidity protocol. It's a backbone of derivatives trading on DeFi, allowing anyone, anywhere to gain on-chain exposure to a vast range of assets. Their Pollux release is coming next Monday, which is tomorrow. Begins around 9 p.m. UTC. They're going to deploy an upgrade with several protocol improvements. SNX, DeFi projects. You're going to buy the breakout of this level. Your targets are over here. Okay, you could see 25, 30% gains just in the short term out of SNX, assuming that Bitcoin acts normal. Remember, if you could have the best altcoin setups in the world, Bitcoin will freaking knock you off that, knock you down off that hill in just a second. Bitcoin, gotta love it. QSP, look at this setup. Easy, 50% gains. These are the easy ones. It comes back up here, gets rejected. You know, it comes and then it breaks out. You buy the retest, 50% gains out of QSP. Boom, like that, right? That easy. That's what I like, quick gains. Somebody in my group sent me this, and it says, again, he's at Burger King just chilling, eating a Whopper Jr., Whopper. What do you guys like at Burger King? I don't eat fast food, but boy, I don't know, Burger King, I don't really like them. So look at this, Burger King, during 60 minutes, this pops up. Reuters Biz, on cryptocurrency platform DeFi, you lend money to a borrower who puts up collateral that exceeds the size of the loan, and then you earn interest of about 20%. What could possibly go wrong? They mockingly said. Dang it, mainstream. Apparently, they're doubtful about 20% interest. Who knew? I'm doubtful on it too, but it doesn't matter. We're going to get our money anyway. Take your profits, sort it out later. If it all explodes or implodes, hey, you know what? You got your money. DeFi, or decentralized finance, is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency platform that allows lenders and borrowers to transact money without banks. Life-changing money. This is happening. This is on TV, 60 minutes. Huge, huge news. DeFi, the next wave to take over mainstream adoption. Everybody, you just imagine all the people that are in a squeeze right now. They have some cryptocurrency, they're borrowing against it, the market drops, a lot of losses, a lot of yeah, so anyways, very high risk. Okay, Bitcoin dominance right now. So you have this rising wedge broke to the downside. Okay, the RSI right now is approaching oversold levels. And so, you know, there's potential for a bounce in this area. And if this happens, will this be a double bottom? Is this going to try to reverse? If this reverses, it makes it tough to trade the altcoins. But look at this. See this downtrend right here? Made for an amazing weekend. An amazing weekend. You can see that almost all the setups were breaking out to the upside constantly. Sometimes this market is very easy to trade. You got to take advantage of these situations. Trade, go big, go big. Go big. When it happens again, go big, okay? Trading against the trend of this, it's tough to trade. Now, if you're a midterm holder, just chill, relax. I post a lot of midterm hold setups, like you hold them for like 3 to 5 weeks, and we've seen like 30, 50, 70% profits out of these midterm holds consistently. sit it and forget it. It's the easiest money you're going to make in crypto. Sand, here's another one, good one. There's a possible cup and handle. Buy the breakout of this bull flag. This is textbook cup and handle. Okay, so Bitcoin works with us. You got some bullish divergence on the RSI and the MACD. You're at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. The 618 Fib level also is right here. So again, the ideas for a reversal in this area are pretty high, and you've got a nice, pretty cup and handle. Boom. Let's see what happens with sand. Cloudflare goes down, crypto websites hit. So whenever this happens, Cloudflare, which is an internet service provider, they're responsible for various functions, went down Sunday morning, taking many websites with it. A lot of these were crypto websites. And so people are questioning, crypto holders are truly decentralized. Is crypto really decentralized? The outage reportedly affected Bitcoin transactions. Obviously wouldn't have affected them on the blockchain, but just more so websites that act to send and receive the transactions, to initiate the transfers, if you will. So again, is crypto really decentralized? What do you guys think? I think it's almost impossible. After riding YFI's 108,000% gains. Listen, I want you guys to go to anybody that trades in any market, gold, silver, stock market, traditional markets, and say, look, if you didn't get in on 108,000% gains, you ain't talking about nothing. What do you, 108,000%? Dude, that's 1,080x. Dude, this created a lot of millionaires. Here's some other crypto assets this gentleman's talking about. So really quick, in a nutshell, YFI, Yearn Finance, ran from $34 on July the 18th, 6 weeks ago, and it ran to 37,000. This person thinks it's going to see a price of 100,000. The problem is with this statement, it's just going to be a bunch of people FOMOing into the top. Don't buy the top. People will take tremendous amount of losses when this thing pulls back, because it will dump on you, right? He also talked about some others that he's holding. XAMP, TOB, YFL, JGN, and Taco. He says tokens of Babel, TOB, is an asset that rewards early investors through rebasing, burns the TOB tokens. Anti-Ample, XAMP leverages deflation by constantly destroying tokens. If the value of XAMP decreases, the supply of the asset is reduced as well, which drives the value of the coin. Then he's talking about Taco. It's 2 weeks old, going strong, more pools and other ways to earn are coming. He knows the guys behind the team. They continue to work hard. At the end of the day, here's what it is. I'm talking about this. This guy talks about it. People find out about it. People buy it. You buy the hype. You sell the top. Right? So again, just identify that this is how. Like, don't fall in love with these projects. You're going to make some money off of them. You're going to have emotional attachment to them, but you can't fall in love with them. Right? Don't hate them. Don't date them. Just trade them. Get your money. The Fed partners with MIT-based digital currency initiative to explore central bank digital currencies. So this has been an ongoing secret, they stated. The Fed were in stealth mode previously. Some indications came up during the House Finance Committee's hearing on June the 17th, where Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell made it clear that the CBDC, central bank digital currency, is an extremely important part of the national infrastructure. And under the purview of the Fed would be in charge of the core infrastructure of the CBDC. It's coming. Digital dollar. Get ready. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.